In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the size of cells in Excel. To begin, open your worksheet and select the rows or columns that you want to resize. This is important because Excel will apply the size change to whatever you have highlighted. If you want to adjust several rows or columns at once, make sure they are all selected before you continue. Next, click the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. This is where you will find many of the basic formatting tools used to organize your sheet. On the right side, locate the Cells group, and then click the Format icon. This menu gives you different options for changing the size of rows and columns with exact values. From the drop-down menu, click Row Height. A small box will appear, allowing you to enter a number. Type the row height you want, then click OK. This method is useful when you want your spreadsheet to look neat and consistent, especially if you are trying to match the size of multiple rows. After that, click the Format icon again. This time, choose Column Width from the menu. When the box appears, type the number you want for the width, and then click OK. This lets you set a precise column size, which is helpful when you want enough room for your data without making the sheet look too spread out. You can also resize cells manually for a faster, more visual approach. Move your mouse over the line between two column letters at the top of the worksheet. When your pointer changes shape, click and drag the boundary line to make the column wider or narrower. This is a quick way to adjust size when you want to judge the spacing by eye instead of entering a number. If you want Excel to resize a column automatically based on the text inside it, place your mouse on that same boundary line and double-click. This uses Autofit, which adjusts the column to fit the content. It is especially useful when some cells contain longer text and you want everything to display clearly without extra manual resizing. These methods give you both precision and flexibility, depending on how you want your worksheet to look. You can use exact measurements through the Format menu or make quick adjustments by dragging and using Autofit. That covers everything you need to know.